Hey there, folks. It's Dub here, and we're back with the February 2019 edition of the Cairn box, which the last few have been a bag, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. That's just more cost-effective for them, or if there's something to that. But with that, you can more feel what's in here. So I'm not gonna guess on this one, just because I'm not gonna call it cheating. But anyways, we'll just get to opening her up. See what we have. All right, and on it says, "Make time for the great outdoors." I agree with that. Okay, so got her open. There's some of the packing fluff, and we'll pull the first thing out here was a box, which is what I felt. Ooh. All right. It says, Coast Lights, Knives, and Multi-Tools. This is a rechargeable flashlight. Interesting, I like that. 340 lumens, 583-foot range. And it looks like they've got a bullseye spot all the way down to more of a wide angle. They're calling it Ultra View Flood. It's got a USB plug right here in the bottom. Little clip on it right there. Let's see, does it have any kind of a... It's a smooth bezel. For those of us out there that like a bezel with a little more aggressive action on it, there isn't one of those. But then again, maybe you shouldn't use your flashlight to hit people in the face. So I guess there's that. So any other features here we need to learn about. It's got a high-low. It's got a double click. There is a strobe. That's very, very cool. If you're out and there actually is somebody on the property, A, the strobe makes the battery last a little longer. Two, that's kind of disorienting if you need the upper hand on something there. So let's see here. It looks like it's rechargeable. On high, you get a full hour and a half of runtime. And on low, you're going to get 4 hours and 15 minutes. So that's a decent little deal. You keep it in the house. If you've got a wood pile out back or anything like that, you need to go run fairly often too. You go feed the cat outside, whatever. Then you can just leave this kind of deal plugged in somewhere in the house and grab it. And it's always ready to go, and you should have plenty of runtime. All right, I like that. Let's put that off to the side. Oh, you know what we didn't do? We didn't open that up for you and give it the first look, because it's not a box anymore, so I have a hard time with the structure of it, you know? But anyways, there's that look. Turn it around. As always, oh, cute dog. As always, if you want this, hit me up. It's yours. What else we got in here? All right, next thing we found. I've had some of these before. If you've never had any of these, they're interesting. They are a fire starter. They are actually a match, but as you can see on the side here, they have a little bit where you strike that. But it's a match that doesn't just light the fire. You could use it actually to toss in there, and it'll burn for a little while longer. So if you can see these, there's 4 of them in there. The red part is the tip. They look like a, I don't know, kind of a little treat or a little mountain. But these are kind of a compressed cardboard, and there may be like a propellant in there, some kind of fuel extender, I'm not sure, a fire extender. But you strike these right on the box, and then leave, you know, 1 or 2 of those, however wet or dry your tinder is. But strike one of those, and those things will burn there. Let's see if it gives us a run time at all. It says good for the planet and great for your next adventure. Most says keep it reach of kids. It's probably a good idea. They give you the actual size right there, so that's what a singular one looks like. And there comes, it looks like there's a couple other strike tabs in here if you want to go ahead and take that and put that in a bag somewhere. I believe there's 2 of them in there, and there's 2 of these packs. So if you wanted to share one with a friend, or you got a couple different bags, one in your car, one in your house, you don't need the box necessarily, because we all know how to light a match. All right, put them off to the side. So far we're on kind of a light kind of a deal here. And let's see, last thing. We're going for the Jones bar. So it's one thing I like about the Cairn box is they always have, or mostly always have, a food item. This one is mango, almonds, dates, and chai seeds. And we'll get a little look at without opening it here, see if I can get the nutrition facts for you. That one's a little tight, but it looks like it says we're doing, so I can get that up there. Oh. It says 170 calories. Per serving here on the bar, and where's the protein? Oh, I'll have to find that one. 4 grams. So for a little tiny bar, 170, that's quite light, and 4 grams of protein, probably be awesome to take on a hike. So going back over it, it is the hopefully tasty Mango Jones bar, the Sweet Fire Strikeable fire starter, kind of a match fire starter, and the extra tabs, and then it's the Coast